I'm gonna show you how to install our new Android system for the new Entune 3.0 that's in the Sienna 2018 and Camry 2018. First you start by removing the brackets. This box is the GPS box, so if you're in Europe you can just remove it, you don't need it anymore. If you're in the US you want to reinstall this later. Press these tabs. I'm gonna remove the box. I'm gonna remove the screws. It's the screws that's holding the front face. So it's total 6 screws. Now what you want to do is put in a screwdriver, just tab it a little. Then you have on the side here you flip it over just carefully. Now you can open up the screen. Here we have 2 ribbon cables. Just pop that up and the cables will be removed. This one you just press up. It's just it's holes like this, so you just press it up. You have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. This screw here you won't need anymore. I'm gonna show you once the Android system is installed. Just take this, take it off. Now what you want to do is remove these 4 screws that holds the bottom plate, because you will get a new plate so the ribbon cables run smooth. Just press it up, take that. You will get a new one. You can see it's cut here. It's because the new cables will go through that. You just make sure the tabs is above there. Let's see that one. Like that, so you can see the holes here. Now just take the 4 screws, screw them back again. These two ribbon cables you remove. You just pop this one up, remove that, pop this one up, remove that. Now you got your Android system. So we're gonna just place it there. You have two cables. That's this one will go into the same place that you removed the other cables. Press them in the cables and lock them down with the locker that we popped up before. You can see here. Now that that is done, you want to insert the cables, and take that, flip it up like that. Take all the screws and screw back. And you can see that screw you don't need anymore. So now it's done. And if you have, just gonna see, if you have the GPS system, if you're in the US and are using the GPS system, you need to install that back, because then it's gonna be like this. This will be placed above like that, and then you have the same mounting holes for the brackets that will you can see you will lock just the Android system and the box in the same two screws. But as this is for a European client, you will not need the GPS box. We're just gonna take this up again like that. You can see that it fits perfectly. These two cables is gonna back to the screen. Easiest way is to place it like this. Insert the flat cable good, like that, and this cable. We forgot to take this cable there. Just clip that back on. Insert the flat cables. Take the screen. It's back in place. Screw back the screws. Put back the brackets. Just gonna see which side is for what. That's not correct. That's correct. You're just gonna put it back with one screw just to show you. That. So there we got it, installation of the Android system. We'll see that you will get a harness. All is plug and play with the harness. You get this harness with the USB ports. That's the aux cable that we already connected. This one you connect there. We get this harness that you connect there, and there you put in your original harness. Then you have one more harness that you connect there. You connect the original harness there. You have this cable that holds the external speaker. That cable is connected here, and then you're good to go. If you want to connect the front camera, you connect that to the DVR input. You can see the DVR, that's for the front camera. The other ones you don't use. And there is for the GPS antenna that you connect. So that's it. Installation of our Entune 3.0 for the new Toyota. Thank you.